next strategy is the cup strategy, which is a very common strategy. It is so common, so simple, many people don't even follow it. See, we need, as human beings, we need more and more complicated strategies.
Yeah.
A simple screener in charting will throw out about 5-10 cups every week. You can
Okay.
select your cup,
Okay.
whichever you want to follow. Gravita India, I'm still holding it. I'm not exited.
Okay.
And I must have entered actually lesser than this. I entered this cup into here
Okay.
at 140, 150 areas. Because a cup is a cup. In all-time high cup is the best cup.
Okay.
All-time high cup with the longest unbroken time. The longer the cup, the better the move.
Okay.
So you can enter a cup here also. And this is also a cup. But then ATH cup, the all-time high cups, are the best.
Okay.
This is what I have been taught in Vishal Malkan's sessions, and that's I have made a lot of money out of cups also.
Okay.
Now, Federal Bank Cup, the more recent cup, it's many people say it has failed because it has hit the neckline and come down. I am still holding. I have great conviction in it because RS is still above 1.
Okay.
So I'm still holding, and I think Federal Bank will turn around because it got mauled in the last 2 weeks. But last 2 weeks, very few stocks escaped unscathed.
Okay.
So I'll give it some more time, and if it doesn't leave above the neckline, then I may have to exit.
Mm-hmm.
As of now, I'm still holding. So recent cups include Cummins.
How do you find out the cup formation?
See, in charting, I have created a small screener.
Can you?
Not me.
Is it possible for you to share now?
Yeah, let me just see, sir. Can you see these dogs?
Yeah, I can see. I can see.
So yeah, this is the cup screen. This is not made by me. It is made by another fellow trader,
Okay.
and it will not give you a cup. For example, NACL Industries has come in today's today's screener. If we look at it, you have to put it in trading view and check. See, it will detect something like this.
Okay. Okay.
And then you have to see if it is actually a good cup. Ponni Sugars Erode as a decent cup today. So then you bring it in trading view and you check it out.
Okay.
So Ponni Sugars cup is from 2012 and is already burst out. So it's still we can enter Ponni Sugars if all the other parameters. It's a long cup. It's a very big cup, and it can be done. So once again, I can show it to you. This is the screener that I use. Then there's another one called Aries Agro. See, all this kind of movement that the screener will detect. Then it is up to you. You have to.
Okay. I mean, there is no fixed software which can detect these patterns. You have to be the approximations only.
Yeah, then you have to put your own mind to it.
Yeah.
This also comes, this you can reject immediately. It is not Orient paper. It's not yet this thing. Then Tithagad wagons. Tithagad wagons also, I think it is coming up as a decent cup. So this is how I do these things.
Got it.
So cups also you will get at least a dozen or more cups every year. And this also will add to your revenues quite a bit. This stress free. Now the cup you always, as I said, ATH cups, the all-time high cups are the best. And second rule is between two cups should have at least it should have a very long distance, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. The longer the cup, the better will be the move. And you always have to buy above the neckline, 3 or 4% above the neckline. This is the neckline. And if it pierces back under 3-4%, then you have to exit. Otherwise, it can continue. You can pyramid, and you can hold as long as you want to. Yes,
okay.
sir. So between these two, I make a lot of money there. That is the first one, which I said RSI plus moving average. Very
Mm.
simple. And there are many teachers who gives you a lot of other tweaks to this particular for the first strategy. All of them are good. Nothing is bad. But this is what I follow. This is what I could also teach my wife. She also does the whole thing without
Hi,
my
that's very good.